Wow.
Guys, we're shooting a reel. This is the highest production we've ever done on a reel.
Look at the tension on her face. The stress. अबे सब क्या आदत नहीं.
हम मजे लेते हैं जिंदगी में और कुछ नहीं करते.
Life of an intern.
इंसान तो मैं जिसको एक चेयर भी नहीं मिलेगा.
भाई ये राव्या ने क्या मंगा रही है भाई?
Guys, this is what a Ravya script looks like.
This is what my script looks like. यार
भाई क्या पढ़ रही है?
ये
तो show है.
इससे बनती हैं राव्या की रील्स, देख लो.
तब भी इतनी अच्छी बन.
We've been shooting for the past few hours. दिमाग खराब हो चुका है. Hey, we have to beep that out. Our parents watch this vlog.
Namaste, uncle and auntie.
I want to kill myself.
Abe, this is Mathe. We are built for this. I can go 5 more rounds like this.
Yeah.
Mr. Rohan Kawata, what are we doing here?
For the new off-track collection. I'm really excited about it.
Let's go.
It looks dope.
Champions of the chase. And guess what I've been on? My sport boy I'm the sport boy. Bhai, this is unfair. They've made me the sport boy. Come on. Do you see the effort? A for the effort. Okay, so what we have done is named every t-shirt something very fun. So I'll tell you all the t-shirts and their names. Come. So this t-shirt is named Chase Freedom because this is literally Bhag, only exercise to chase freedom in a pursuit of a better self. And then you look at the back, Champions of the Chase. That's why the freedom. This one is the most brain rot name because it's such a sick t-shirt. It says Bhag Club here and it has a big B logo. It's called the Baby Blue.
Damn, Indian Railways have actually stepped up and made a good product.
Did you say a good product?
The train is actually very good. I liked it.
I like it too. Damn, what you scribbling, bro? If you... Shama. Why are we here? Why are we here? बड़ा चिकन खाना है. If only. Boys, हमें मिल चुका है free upgrade और ये देखो. Guys, that's our luck, bro. This is like a cheetah print sofa, and there's a Jesus Christ. This is मिला है.
Shout out to my brother. Thank you.
Thank you, Jasmer, bro. Free upgrade मिल गया हमें इस होटल रूम में. It's like the most premium room for free, and once you go here. Bathroom, भाई मेरे flat.
I am actually getting sad that I am here with you and not like.
With whom?
समझ जाओ अब जिसको जो समझना है.
भाई ये तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही बड़ा है bro. ये तो मेरे घर जितना बड़ा है. Damn. Sick. Just came to Ludhiana and in this hotel there is Beanley coffee. Guys, what is this? You guys are behind us everywhere. Okay boys, we are ready. Ready to leave. Ready to go. Ready to hustle. Where is KB? What's up, Sumer? How are you?
Finally, Bhag Boys in Ludhiana after a long while.
We're here to have pizza.
We're here to have pizza with Sumer. We'll keep you guys updated. Guys, we had come. No, we came for pizzas to Ludhiana, but now we are gonna have parathes. Zamindar Dhaba.
Damn. Guys, we came to Ludhiana to have pizza and now we're having.
Can we enter?
Yeah, for sure.
Finally, हम लुधियाना पिज्जा खाने आए थे.
Pizza मिल रहा है खाने को.
Pizza मिल रहा है खाने को. Guys, just look at the setup here.
I'm so tired.
I'm tired. 3 things we learned about pizzas today. That is the
Neapolitan.
type pizza machine. Oh, sorry. That is a New York style. उसमें 3 मिनट लगते हैं, उसमें 5 मिनट लगते हैं.
गलत
और
बोला.
खाने में 2 मिनट लगते हैं.
90 seconds.
90 seconds.
What's the third thing you know?
Third thing, खाने में 2 मिनट लगते हैं.
Delhi people
tell to everyone what is this place?
So it's a speakeasy inspired pizzeria. It's called the Secret Slice Society. There's no branding, there's no marketing. If you know, you know. It's a members only love kind of pizza.
अब लोगों को पता चल गया है, क्या पता इसको देख के कोई आए.
No, bro, we are like very limited, so we make sure whoever's eating the pizza is worth it.
Damn, shout out.
If you are not welcome here, you'll be kicked out.
Yeah, for sure.
You won't find it only. Honestly, you won't find the place.
You won't find the place. It's not on Google Maps, it's nowhere, bro.
Google.
Why? You're too good. It's done.
Yeah.
Yeah, हो गया.
See you. Bye bye.
The pizza was great. Job successful. Genuinely,
Pizza eaten. Khalya kitten. Did you call yourself a kitten? Good morning vlog. Say something motivational and inspirational for people today.
Life is only gonna move like
KB, give your macros breakdown.
protein and fats, carbs, more proteins come.
Damn. Protein, cheese, fat, fiber, roll of carbs and fiber, and maybe negligible protein, and one donut in my stomach. देश बदल रहा है, हमें अभी तक टैक्सी नहीं मिली है.
Even 15 minutes.
Welcome to Delhi. It's 2:28. Happy Holi.
28 minutes.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
You're done.
I'ma play this motherfucker for y'all. Hey, y'all get some more
Guys,
drinks going.
please be safe. Everyone's under the influence and driving and riding bikes.
और ये देखो, जरा ये देखो ये कैसे आए. One. कोई और है.
What's up, vlog? So right now we're in the middle of the track. We're in the middle of the track run. That's Vedic running with us. Vedic running for the first time. Let's go. Yeah, life is good life. You across, bro.
Nah, bro.
You look like you do what? That's it.
What's up, everyone? Bhag Delhi. Once we are back, people are back. It's a vibe. This is Arun Kapoor. It does not run anymore. Tell him to run.
4 kilometer, yaar.
Peace out.
What's up, vlog? How's it going? We just did the run at Nehru Park. Now we're at Post Run Coffee. Feeling amazing, feeling good. I want to kill myself.
Post Run Coffee with my friend from GK, Riyam Madan. Where is the Badan?
Friend from BK also.
I run 10 kilometers.
Why is everyone calling you man child?
I'm not a man.